Good morning. Hi, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to visit a new nursery to see if I can find some starts. My old nursery, they sold it to someone else, and I went there the other day and did not like the new ownership. And they didn't have anything that I went there for. Well, they had the soil, but that was it. So I'm trying a new nursery. It's still on my side of town, and I'm gonna check it out and see if they have any fresh starts, because mine died. I replanted them, they have not come up, so I want some Brussels sprouts, and they should be a little further along if it's gonna plant them now. So anyway, let's go check out this new nursery. It's called I think it's called Northside Nursery. So let's see what they got. Northside Garden. We got a lot of stuff, and that prices are actually cheaper. This is what I bought the other day. I bought the ocean forest. We have a bunch of pomades. It is way cheaper. It's $18. I paid $20-some for that. I wonder if they got food out here. Okay, this is gonna be my new nursery. Loving it already. Way cheaper. They got a bunch of trees. I came for Brussels sprouts. They don't have any. But that is their pricing. But they do have cabbage and collard greens, parsley. Oh, got my finger in front of it. Thyme, dill. So they're not much cheaper. They're not much cheaper than the box store as far as, because these are the bonnie things. So to me, these are a little bit high, and collard greens grow pretty fast. I'm gonna try to grow. I came for Brussels sprouts. They don't have any, but they're plants and so are cheaper. So, hi. I have broccoli, so I think I'm gonna get some broccoli.
We do have seeds inside.
Okay, thank you. Maybe. And I got cabbage. 6 sales, Savoy cabbage. Which, maybe I'll get a tray of these. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. One is dead in that one, so we don't want that one. So we'll get this one. Put it in there. And we get a broccoli. Let's find one that looks decent, that has all 6 and it's not too leggy. Like this one in the back. I don't like that one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's not too bad. Alright. I do have this stuff. I don't know what it is. So, let's see. Yeah, I also have a bunch of fruit trees, figs, with figs on them. Lots of figs on them. They were $40. I ain't paying nowhere near that for mine. But they wasn't quite this big. They got blueberries, wax myrtles, a bunch of different trees and plants. So, blueberries, blackberry there. Is this a mix?
How you doing, ma'am?
I'm good.
You need any help?
No, I'm good.
All right.
Thank you. Just looking. It's my first time here.
Enjoy.
I don't know what kind this is. $9.99. Got a good stem on it. Okay. Also got like pomegranate trees and grapevines, muscadine. Not too bad prices. So lots of stuff here to choose from. These don't look too bad. That one don't look that great, but it's the fall coming the end of the year. So, yeah, I think this is gonna be my new spot. Like it. Alright, this is everything that I got. I got some of this mushroom compost. This is the first kind I ever used. I like this brand, so I got 3 bags of it. And then, same brand of some organic raised bed mix. Because I'm going to do my green stock that I have there. And I have this mushroom compost, as well as I bought some soil from the other nursery. And I got a big bag of worm casting. And then I also got a bag of soil mix for my blueberries. And then here in my tray, I've got one deal and it has 3 plants in it. And then I got 2 different types of cabbages and a broccoli. So that is it for everything I got. And they're Bonnie. So they were 5 something each for these broccoli. So this is a cabbage, a Savoy cabbage, I think, and a Bonnie's Best cabbage. I don't know what kind that is. And then a Lieutenant broccoli. And this is just deal. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.